Hey friends, thanks for coming back to my videos. I really appreciate your support. And in today's tip, for tip number 5, is connect with your coworkers. And if you're currently searching for a job right now, that's okay. Remember, if you used to work at another place, connect with those coworkers too. And if you have never had a job before, maybe this video is not going to be tailored for you. So go ahead and check out my other videos in the meantime. Get it already. Connect with coworkers? Really? That's your tip, Jake? Honestly, I'm telling you, it's done wonders for me. Not in the beginning, but over time it took me to understand that there's going to be people that you're going to be seeing for hours and hours on day, and you think, why do I need to see their faces more? Maybe, just maybe, seeing these people hours on day is enough to get your foot through the door in connecting with new friends. Sure, they're acquaintances right now, but you might have some interests in common. I'm not talking about connecting with every single person that you have to work with. See if there's at least one person you think at your job right now that you can connect with. Maybe someone that you already have connected with on a deeper level, maybe once or twice. Maybe that's enough. Text them, call them. Even during COVID right now, it's really hard to connect, so I am noticing a lot of people who are trying as hard as they can to connect with people through their job. Think creatively in this process. Think about what tools that you can use. Zoom. It's being used everywhere right now. Not only for meetings and for even working with clients or consultants or whatever job you do, but in connecting with your coworkers. Whether it's through your phone, if your phone has the capability of doing that, through a tablet, through a laptop, through maybe other means that I've never even heard of. So what you can do is say, hey, do you want to connect through Zoom and have lunch sometime? Keep it at half an hour. Maybe keep it at 20 minutes. Go incrementally. And then over time, they will decide and you will decide if that's going to be a right fit. But here's the cool part, you're trying and they're seeing that. Another helpful tip I want to share with you when it comes to connecting with coworkers is 2 words: stay curious. Staying curious has a way of teaching others that you want to understand them more. It doesn't teach others that you know everything about them, because you don't. And so staying curious is a really good ingredient in trying to connect with people, especially when you're really wanting to make new friends. Especially if you're trying to do this through work, because I get it, it's a risk. You're not really sure if you're going to get shot down, but when you take small calculated steps, such as saying hello in a text or how have you been doing, you'd be surprised. And again, if you do not work, that's okay. I appreciate you making it this far in the video. Think about previous jobs that you've had, or think about the industry that you want to get into. Think about other people that you want to get connected with. I've made a lot of friends that I haven't met in industries that have really helped me connect with them, get to know them, but I don't even work with them. Places like LinkedIn are a wonderful place to start. If you're a professional in the mental health network and you're trying to stay connected with others in a mental health network professionally, connect with me. And so what I'm sharing with you today, I really hope you can put it into action, because this video is just going to be for enjoyment unless you decide I'm going to take it and put it into action. This is just going to be another video that you're watching, and it's going to be a waste of your time. And I don't want that for you. I really want you to use this opportunity and all these actionable steps I've shared with you to test it out in the real world, little by little, not giant leaps thinking I'm going to know my whole corporation. I'm going to know everybody at my job. That is definitely not what I'm asking. What I'm asking you is to write down at least 1 or 2 things you got from this video and to put it into practice. Send out a text message. Ask someone some open-ended questions. Get to know them more. Be open to receive open-ended questions. So it's going to be an ongoing negotiation in getting to know each other. That's what it's going to take, especially when you're in a work environment where you want to get to know your coworkers more. I think it's going to be worth it. It's scary, yes, but I think it's well worth it. There you have it. That's tip number 5 today in how to make a friend, which was get to know your coworkers a bit more, because you already have your foot in the door. So I really hope this video was helpful for you. I really appreciate you watching this video. Thanks again for sticking around. I really hope this video was helpful for you. And remember, take care.